Day 1 of your cycle is the first day that you see bright red blood. What happens is your lining sheds, so you have a bleed. Your brain sends a message to your ovaries saying, I would like a new egg, please. And that's something called follicle stimulating hormone, or FSH. So let's say, for argument's sake, this lady that we're talking about has 5 eggs on one side and 5 eggs on the other side of her ovaries. And the body's sending follicle stimulating hormone saying, I would really like a mature egg. So that one egg, hopefully, will mature, and that will send a message to all of the other eggs saying, we don't need you, we've got a mature egg. And then what happens is the brain very cleverly sends another hormone to the ovaries called luteinizing hormone. Hopefully, your body will release an egg. And the egg sits in something called a corpus luteum. So the egg gets released into the fallopian tube, and hopefully there's loads of sperm ready to pounce on it. And this little shell is called a corpus luteum, and it sits in the ovaries and it pumps out something called progesterone. So the beginning of a woman's cycle, everything is about estrogen. It's about building a lovely lining. It's about helping a nice mature follicle. And then the egg is released, and this corpus luteum sits in the ovaries and it pumps out a hormone called progesterone. This hormone sustains a pregnancy, because when an egg is fertilized, a placenta just doesn't appear and feeds that embryo, that developing embryo. What happens is this hormone progesterone pumps out from the ovaries, and it's this hormone that keeps a pregnancy going until the placenta takes over. So what we essentially want in each part of the cycle is hormone balance. We want lovely estrogen at the beginning, and then we want lovely progesterone in that, what I call the 2-week wait. So generally, once you've ovulated, you will then have a period, if you're not pregnant, about 14 days later, anywhere between 12 and 14 days later. So you want to make sure that when you have all of these hormones, you're feeding them correctly. Sign up to our newsletter, the link's in our bio. So we send loads of lovely free stuff through to you. We don't bombard you, we just seem to send emails once a month, just to give you a bit of help on your fertility journey. And obviously we offer some fertility coaching as well if you're a bit lost.